Did he? I did. Hey, no. So in this video, we're going to be looking at a secondary bonnet latch, which is this one here. So the problem is this wasn't moving, so when I pressed this button, that was just staying still. So in this video I'm going to help you to open it. So what was happening is it would pop the bonnet would pop up halfway like that, and then I pressed the button on there and it wouldn't open. So I'm going to use a dent puller to pull this way. Need dent puller. So we don't need the slide hammer, so slide the slide hammer off. And just attach the end of it. And instead of faffing around fiddling out with a screwdriver, struggling with a screwdriver, just screw that on the end of the dent puller, and then what you're going to do, you're going to hook it and then pull. So this wasn't doing anything because this was seized up. So what I've done is I put some grease on and some WD-40, and then that's helped free that up. But initially, to get it moving, you're going to need to pull on that with the dent puller. So just show you that when it's down. So when it's down, I'm going to be coming in, and I've got a very tight gap there. Slide it on and then pull, and should open it. I was just doing that for demonstration purposes, but you will have to just hook that dent puller onto there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.